Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. So let's start the new lesson. A day with the dinosaurs. A day with the dinosaurs. See, so what is a dinosaur? Have you seen a dinosaur ever? So those are the animals which we can't see now. Yes. See. So in this lesson, there are the two boys who are going to discover the dinosaurs. Who are going to see the dinosaurs. Can we see the dinosaurs now? No, the dinosaurs are already end on the earth. There are no more dinosaurs on the earth. Yes, children. So in this lesson, there are the two boys who discover the dinosaurs. So let us see in the story how they are going to discover the dinosaurs. Okay, let's see the story. A very interesting story. So here, warm up, children. Scan through the lesson and write the names of dinosaurs that you come across. So in this lesson we will get the different names of dinosaurs. Okay, so manaki indulo different names of dinosaurs will come across. That this box, after finishing of whole lesson, we will complete this box. Okay, so coming to the story. Discover dinosaurs along with Bobby and Ibuki. Bobby and Ibuki. So who are the two characters here? Who are the two boys who are going to discover the dinosaurs? Bobby and Ibuki. Bobby and Ibuki are the two boys. Okay. So a place is in Japan. See, children. So let's start the story. Bobby lived in Japan with his family. His father worked in multinational company. Bobby's neighbor was an 8-year-old boy named Ibuki. Both the boys attended an international school and were classmates as well as good friends. So here there are the two boys who lived in Japan. So Bobby's neighbor, Ibuki is Bobby's neighbor, and both lived in the same place, same street. Both are classmates. Both used to go in the same school. Both used to go to the same school, to the international school. And Bobby's father used to work in the multinational company. Multinational company means it is a very big company which has branches. అంటే ఒక కంపెనీ బ్రాంచ్ మనకు వేరే ప్లేస్లో కూడా ఉంటుంది. సో సచ్ కంపెనీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ మల్టీనేషనల్ కంపెనీస్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ బాబీ అండ్ ఇబుకి. So they are the classmates, friends who used to go to the same school, that is international school. Okay children, see, coming to the story. Ever since their teacher had told them about dinosaurs, the boys were fascinated and hoped to see a few. Their parents explained that dinosaurs had disappeared from Earth, maybe due to some volcanic activity around 65 million years ago. So one day what happened, the teachers told, so Bobby and Ibuki teacher told them about the dinosaur. So they explained a story about the dinosaur to them. So they came to know that there are no more dinosaurs, but they were very fascinated. So dinosaurs will be very large, very scary and dangerous animal. Yes. So we have also seen when we went to the trip. Yes children, we have seen the skeletal system of the dinosaur. Yes. So when these people, when the boys, two boys, Ibuki and Bobby, were very fascinated about the dinosaurs, they wanted to see the dinosaurs. See, so they also went, and the parents also discussed. The parents explained that because of some volcanic activity, so we can see no volcanic activities. So because of some volcanic activities, all the dinosaurs had disappeared from the earth. When before the 65 million years ago, 65 million years means many years ago, so the dinosaurs had disappeared. There are no more dinosaurs on the earth. But these two boys, Bobby and Ibuki, wanted to see few dinosaurs. See, Bobby and Ibuki lived in a place close to a mountain which had a volcano. There had been a lot of volcanic activity in and around the mountain for several million years. Bobby and Ibuki believed that few dinosaurs probably still lived within the volcanic crater up on the mountain. So where they used to live, there was a mountain where the volcanic activity used to occur. Yes, so their belief was the dinosaurs still live here. A volcanic crater lo dinosaurs inka konni undachu annatuga వాళ్ళ belief. So they used to believe that there are more Dinosaurs lived there in the volcanic crater. See children. Every day the boys played a dinosaur game in the local park. Bobby, being vegetarian, acted as Brachiosaurus. So here the different names of the dinosaurs are, see, Brachiosaurus, a plant-eating dinosaur. To whom we will call Brachiosaurus, plant-eating dinosaur. So in dinosaurs, now in animals we have herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. So in the same way, in dinosaurs there were plant-eating dinosaurs. Okay. So what is the plant-eating dinosaurs are called as? Brachiosaurus. What they are called as? Brachiosaurus. Learn this pronunciation, children, properly. Brachiosaurus, a plant-eating dinosaur. Ibuki acted as Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus Rex is a ferocious, means a dangerous meat-eating dinosaur. Okay children, so here every day in park normally we will play the games, taking the characters. As you are student and me as a teacher, we will do in holidays. Children same chestaru, one will be the student and one will become the teacher and they will play the game. Yes, same like that here Bobby and Ibuki used to take the characters. Bobby used to play Brachiosaurus, the dinosaur, plant-eating dinosaur. Okay, and Ibuki used to take the character of Tyrannosaurus Rex, that is meat-eating dinosaur. Tyrannosaurus Rex, that is meat-eating dinosaur. Okay children, so they used to take these characters and they used to pretend as these dinosaurs. Pretend ante they used to act as these dinosaurs and they used to fight. See, they pretend to attack each other with their sharp teeth and claws. One day during their mock fight, the boys felt themselves being lifted up high in the air across a mountain and dropped into a volcanic crater. They rubbed their eyes and a huge fence with a gate appeared. So what happened when they were playing? Suddenly they felt that someone is lifting them up and thrown them in the volcanic crater. So they felt that someone is lifting them up and they has thrown them in the volcanic crater. ఎవరో వాళ్ళకి లిఫ్ట్ చేసి volcanic crater లో పడేసినట్టుగా అనిపించింది. So they saw an old man. How he was completely, his face was wrinkled అంటే స్కిన్ కొంచెం ఓల్డ్ పీపుల్ స్కిన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, his face was like that and his was like bent up. With age, some of the members will get bent like this. So he was holding a stick in his hand and he was an old man. So they met that old man. So they asked how we came here. So what the grandpa, that old man, so they will tell how did we came here, grandpa. They asked that, both the boys asked them how did we came here. What the grandpa answers, welcome to the dinosaurs park. What he will tell, welcome to the dinosaurs park. And he will tell, Ibuki will ask, how did we come here? So Ibuki asked that, how did we came here? What grandma answers, it is your belief that what you hear. So you used to believe that dinosaurs are here, so that's why you both of you came here. So he'll tell, shh, now let's go to the dinosaurs park and do not make noise and do not touch the dinosaurs. He tell to both the boys that do not make noise and do not touch the dinosaurs. And he'll take them to the dinosaurs Park. And he tells that before 65 million years ago, the only dinosaurs used to rule the whole earth. There were no humans before 65 million years ago. Only the dinosaurs used to rule the earth. Rule the earth. And he take them to the dinosaurs park. See children. So he'll introduce the last. So who are the last dinosaurs? Mana earth pan last dinosaurs evaraithe unnaro, that dinosaurs used to meet that boys. See. So here the old man opened a door and the boys gaped at the different types of sizes of dinosaurs. Wow, it's like Jurassic Park, they whispered. So they were talking slowly. When he opened the door, they saw the different types of dinosaurs there. You can see the pictures. So you can see here. So they saw the different types of dinosaurs. When the old man opened the gate, they were like stunned. They are seeing very surprisedly. See. So they saw the different types of dinosaurs there. Ibuki was thrilled to meet Tyrannosaurus rex and Albertosaurus, the carnivores. So who are the carnivores? Tyrannosaurus rex and also Albertosaurus. Why Ibuki? Because Ibuki used to take the role of the Tyrannosaurus rex. Now he saw that dinosaur in front of him. And also one of the another dinosaur, Albertosaurus, those are meat-eating dinosaurs. Okay, see children. Tyrannosaurus rex was massive. So it is very big. Tyrannosaurus rex was very massive. It had powerful hind legs. Each hind foot had 3 toes with enormous claws. So how was Tyrannosaurus rex? So describe about him. How it is? So each hind foot had 3 limbs. So you can see here in the picture, children. So each hind foot has 3 limbs. Okay, and were 2-fingered and as large as a human arm. So 2-fingered one. Okay, now see how it is. So Albertosaurus was smaller but had longer limbs than Tyrannosaurus rex. So comparing here Tyrannosaurus rex and Albertosaurus, they are comparing. So comparing this one, this Albertosaurus is small comparing to Tyrannosaurus rex. Okay, see, but had longer limbs than Tyrannosaurus. But his limbs are longer. See. It had a muscular neck supporting a small head. The teeth were long and saw like a tear of flesh and swallow it in large chunks. These are meat-eating animals. Meat-eating animals' teeth ela untai. The teeth will be very sharp for them. Yes, so that they can easily tear the flesh of the other animals. The old man said that Albertosaurus moved faster and was a better hunter than Tyrannosaurus rex. It fed on the carcasses of dead animals as well. So he told that it is small aina kani, it is very dangerous animal comparing to Tyrannosaurus rex. So it eats the dead animals' flesh. Okay. So it is, and also it is a very better, faster. It runs very faster comparing to Tyrannosaurus rex. See children. Look, there is a Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus, Bobby pointed. Now what was the Bobby's character? Brachiosaurus. And one more dinosaur he saw was, I'll write it here, Diplodocus. What is the another dinosaur he saw is Diplodocus. See children. The enormous herbivorous dinosaurs were eating plants and gave the boys a friendly look. Now these animals are not as dangerous as this. Okay, so these are plant-eating animals. So they looked at the boys with a very friendly manner. See, they had 4 pillar-like legs and a long tail. The long necks supported a small head. The teeth of these dinosaurs were peg-like to help them in grazing. So, well, teeth also they are very small so that they can easily tear the grass. So they can easily eat up the grass with grazing. And they have long necks supporting a small head. See, the old man pointed out other types of dinosaurs to the boys. Ankylosaurus was a stout. So these two are plant-eating dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus rex and Albertosaurus are meat-eating dinosaurs. And the other dinosaurs, the old man made them is Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus. See, was a stout. What is stout? Heavily built. See, short-legged and slow-moving herbivore. So you can see this one. So it is a short-legged dinosaur. It is a short-legged dinosaur. See, and slow-moving herbivore. Herbivore means what, children? It is also the plant-eating dinosaur, and it moves very slowly. Okay, see, it had a heavy and spiky body armor. So a sharp point. You can see the sharp points on this dinosaur. Which dinosaur is this? Ankylosaurus. See, at the end of its tail there was a large bony club which is used to defend itself. So here its tail. So it can use to defend itself. So anyone come and it can hurt also. If it beats directly with its tail, the bones to it get very hard beat with that. See, and next is Triceratops. The next one more dinosaur is Triceratops. What is another dinosaur? Triceratops was a three-horned herbivore dinosaur. Herbivore. It had a large bony shield behind the head with three horns projecting from the face and forehead. So it has three horns in front of its forehead. Okay, so it is three horns dinosaur, and it is also these two are also the plant-eating animals itself. Plant-eating dinosaurs itself. Suddenly the old man said, "Time to leave, boy. You need to get back home. Your parents will be worried." "Goodbye, dinosaurs," the boy said sadly. "Will you be able to bring us up again?" they asked the old man. So now suddenly the old man, after seeing all these dinosaurs, the old man told that now time to leave. Maybe your parents are getting worried because without informing they came. Yes. So they asked it, "Can we come here again?" So see what the old man will answer. "Who knows the future? It may or may not happen." The old man laughed and disappeared. So suddenly it may or may not happen. So he smiled and he laughed and suddenly disappeared. Bobby and Ibuki found themselves in the local park again, and it was really time to go home. So suddenly they were again, how they were started at lifting and falling into the volcanic crater. Suddenly they came to the local park again. Bobby and Ibuki looked at each other. "I just saw a dino," Bobby whispered. "Saw a dino too," interrupted Ibuki. They walked back home in a daze. So what happened? Suddenly they were seeing like a different thing to each other, differently to each other. Bobby says, "I saw a dinosaur just now." Ibuki also say, "I too saw the dinosaur just now." So they didn't understood that what happened. So they went back home. See, Bobby and that night on their beds, the boys found a gift. It was a miniature dinosaur. So at that time they saw a dinosaur image, small image of a dinosaur. There was a thank you note attached to it. A note is attached. What is written on that note? "Thank you. Let the 65-million-year-old secret remain with you. Thank you for visiting us." So this should be as a secret that should be remain with you. Ante idi secret laga undali that you people met us, and thank you for visiting us. Okay children, so this was the story how the two boys discovered the dinosaurs. See, was it real? Was it a dream? What do you think? I think that it is a dream of the boys. So what do you think? Answer there. Okay children, so this was the how they discover the dinosaur. Coming to this box, I told you later of the explanation of lesson we will do this. Rex. So what might be this dinosaur name? Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yes. BR. Brachiosaurus. What is this? Brachiosaurus. Next, Albert. Albertosaurus. What is this? Albertosaurus. Complete their names, children. Okay. Next, Cus. Cus Anubi. What is Cus maybe? So, Diplodocus. What is it? Diplodocus. Next and last, Triceratops. So, these are the different names given of the dinosaurs in this lesson. Okay. And See children, so this is Brachiosaurus who has long neck with a small head and four pillar-like limbs and a tail. Okay, so this is the Brachiosaurus. And see, this is Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Observe this children, it has two legs with the three claws each, and here you can see two fingered, so two limbs which has two fingered, and observe its teeth because this is an flesh eating animal, so it has very sharp teeth. So what is this? Tyrannosaurus Rex. See children, this is Ankylosaurus. See how its tails, I told you its tail helps us to protect himself, and how whole body is like with spines. Yes, so this is Ankylosaurus with four limbs. See children, so these are the Triceratops. I told you, three-horned Triceratops. So it has short tail. See, three horns are there on his face and two on his forehead. So these are the Triceratops dinosaurs. Okay. Thank you children.